everyone, it is Susie, and I hope everybody is having a fantastic weekend. I have another box from Amanda from Your Creative Studio. This is the, I believe, the September box. And, yeah, September box. I haven't opened it yet. I have just opened it in order to get the seals off, but let's see what's in here. I'm always excited to see what's in here. I never know what's in here till I see it with you all. And anyway, just fun boxes. I love these boxes. So the thank you note that Amanda always puts in her boxes. Let's see what it feels like. It's really packed full. So let's see what is in here. So, here are your, I think these are just paper pieces, it looks like. Let's see here. I was going to say Post-its, but these are not Post-its. No, they are paper pieces. So, these would be good, of course, for the collaging or backing of something. I'm not sure they're sticky. No, they're just paper. So, they're not sticky backed. But there are several different, oh, that's cute, several different types here. Oh, that one, I like this. That's really, really nice there. Okay, so here are, these are just, like I said, paper, just some kind of paper pieces. Those will work great in collaging, or if you're like backing some words or something and you need some kind of backing. My goodness, it looks like there's several stamps here. They look like they have to do with, this is like old candle wicks. This is like a an old lantern, it looks like. So let's see if we can get in here and see what this is. Yes, this is like an old lantern. I'm trying to get the glare off. Yeah, an old lantern. That is really cute. There's that one. This is like an old candle wick, it looks like, and looks like it might be 3 different pieces, or yeah, 3 different pieces. Yes, and you know this would be really cute for Christmas. Because there's like the old candle in the little metal dish there, or what do you want to call that, metal? That would be really cute for Christmas. I'm not sure, that's like a little candle there, I believe. And then here is a candle on a stand, like a vintage stand. So that is really cute. Yeah, those would make good Christmas stamp. Alright, so there's that one. And then this one just looks like another candle here. Oh, this is washi tape. Oh, I guess I should have seen that. It said washi. So this is washi tape. Oh, it's really pretty. I love it when it's in the browns and the... See if I can find the... There we go. See if I can find the end to it here. Oh, look how cute. Awesome. So there is the, like, it's got script. And it's got the candles. Very cute. Very, very cute. Alright, so there is the washi tape. Alright, then we have these fun airmail envelopes. Those are really cute. Those are cute to put in your little junk journals. Of course, I like to coffee dye mine or tea dye them. Get them a little stained up. Those are really cute. Alright, so this is, I'm not sure, oh, it's a book. It's a little memo book. Oh, it's really cute. Oops. Let's see if I can get the band off of there. There we go. Oh, look at the paper inside. You could almost turn that into just a little journal. Very cute. There's the back side. It's kind of textured as well. That is super cute. So there is that. And then we've got some like the little postage stamps. I'm going to just pull some out and see if we can see what they look like. Okay, now these are stickable. They've got the little peel off on the back. There's like an O camera. Just some really little, oops. Oh, well, I don't think I need that one. These are always cute, especially in some snippets or something. I think those would be cute if you did some paper snippets. These are just super cute. That one's really pretty. Right there. Oops, they're just kind of flipped every which way. Louis Vuitton. Cinema. That's cute. There's a little bit of a floral, Better Homes and Gardens. So anyway, there is the little postage stamps, kind of transparent, vellum-like. Okay, there are those. All right. Oh, how cute. What is this? Romance envelope set. Oh, is it like the policy? Yeah, it's like the policy envelopes. Well, how cute. I guess that's just for you to see. And then it's got the little sticker to seal the envelopes right there. The little sticker to seal the back. Oh, those are awesome. And it's a thick vellum too. It's not a thin vellum. It's a nice weight vellum. Oh, that'll be cute in a project. Awesome. All right, so there's like 3 of them there. Those are just really cute. Those feel nice too. They have a nice feel to them. We have a little lantern charm there. What is this? Natural Collection. Not sure what this is. A little twine fell off there. Oh, they're just like little, I think they're like little, some of them are like a little book page or something here. It's a little bit of everything maybe. And they are, whoops, I just sent them sailing. Some of them will have the, where you can peel off and stick. Now those are cute. These are just book pages. They'd have to be glued. They don't have the sticky back, I don't believe. They might be sticky backed. Some of them's hard to tell. These are, oh, I like the butterfly. Butterfly's cute. Mushrooms. Just some little different paper pieces here. Little tags. Just some little tags, and it's cute. A couple little paper pieces there. Oh, that's really pretty. Look at that blue. Now, those are, of course, sticky, like a sticky vellum there. You can peel off the back. Very, very cute. Very, very cute. I'm wondering if that's not some kind of envelope of some sort. I think it probably is. Yeah, those are like envelopes. And that's really cute there. That's a little sticky, almost like your washi stickers. So those are adorable. All right, so then you have, let's see what this is. Well, it might be some labels. Let's see here. Oh, it is. Look at here, a whole box of labels. Yeah, looky there. That is a box full of your green, red, and blue. Yeah. Okay, and then we've got the little lantern stickers, little transparent stickers there. And there is this. Now, I think this may be a sticky backed one. I'm not sure. Can't get it apart, so I think it is, though. Yes, it is. So this is your sticky back paper. I love that. That's a good collage one. And that is too. So, and there you've got some script. So, anyway, guys, there is the box. Oops, I got another piece down here. I forgot a couple of pieces, actually. Oh, this is super darling. Look at that is cute. So, there is your Creative Studio box. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Oh, look, and this is another vellum envelope you could use that came in. That a few pieces came in. So that is your Creative Studio box for September. I hope everybody enjoyed it. I do have a journal coming up very, very soon. I'll give you a little sneak peek I've been working on. It will be a fall one. And there's a little sneak peek of it. So anyway, hopefully we'll have that finished up for next weekend. And guys, have a great day. And thank you so much for watching.